Alright, so now let's get started. So this is 19th of February and this is on Friday. So happy Friday everyone. Thank you for joining on my live stream for today. So looks like we have some trending markets and pairs. So let's check some charts based on Ichimoku and let me share my findings on these current markets. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Kei and I am a Japanese Ichimoku Forex trader full-time here in Tokyo, Japan. So in my YouTube channel, basically I do talk about the Forex market, Forex pairs on my watch list and see which one is trending, which one is ranging based on Ichimoku strategies and also my own strategies. So today especially I would like to talk about the AUDUSD and Pound USD as these are the nice chart examples for these up or down trends. So let's get started. Alright, so before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information is basically based on my experience and knowledge. So when you do take trades, please do with your own risk. Alright, so let's see. Let me quickly say hi to everyone who is joining and who is on the chat right now. And first of all, Jason White, thank you for joining on my Ichimoku community. Thank you for joining. So make sure you access Discord after you join my YouTube Ichimoku community and get all the perks on Discord. So that you can become a Ichimoku master in my community. So stay gold. Thank you for joining. And let's see, Kayon, TikTok, Marwin, Karim, and Tuan. Let's see, Esfandiar, and Tam, Golam, Asif, Tanapol, and Yorun, thank you for joining. David, Steven, thank you for joining everyone. Great to see you here. It's very nice to see you everyone. Once again, happy Friday everyone. Okay, so let's see what's happening right now. It's been quite interesting markets right now because it's been trending pairs, but I would like to once again talk about especially these AUDUSD and Pound USD pairs because these are the nice examples to talk about Ichimoku strategies for today's live stream. So first of all, let me explain about this AUDUSD. So AUDUSD has been a nice uptrend. Yeah, it's gone uptrending because as you see Ichimoku, if you see Kumo here and if you're new to Ichimoku, this Kumo is bullish Kumo first of all. And when it's bullish Kumo, then the Senko span B is the lower part and the Senko span A is the upper part of the Kumo. And you see this is bullish Kumo and it's trending upwards now. And also for additional bullish confirmations, you see the Tenkan-sen is up and Kijun-sen is up. So in my chart color setting, the Kijun-sen is a green one and the Tenkan-sen is a blue line. And both are uptrending at the moment. Yeah, and also Chikou span is above the candles, which is also an important confirmation for this continuous uptrend. So yeah, AUDUSD, it is uptrending as expected. So let me talk about this pair first. So as per weekly chart, this is uptrending. This is weekly chart. And let me switch it to the daily chart. So here is a daily chart on AUDUSD and we can also see this is uptrending because now we see Kumo up and Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen up and Chikou span above the candles. Well, simply because it broke the previous high at this 1.7821 level upwards now, and it broke upwards and I expect the market continuously moves upwards along, and simply because we see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross above the Kumo. So Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross above the Kumo is a strong confirmation for the uptrend. So I saw this confirmation on the 16th of February, and I was expecting the market to continue to go up afterwards. But I was waiting for one more confirmation, which was the Chikou span breakout. Because when I was seeing the market exactly on this day, 16th February, if I can backward the chart, like this way. So let's say if you see the market real time, like in this chart on the 16th of February, then you see Chikou span has been exactly overlapping with the candles. So basically I posted analysis on the TradingView. So I have the new account on my TradingView. So this is my new account, and I think that was back in hold on, let's see, back in 15th of February, 4 days ago. I put my analysis on this AUDUSD bullish. So let me open this one. So this was exactly on the 10th February, and this was 15th February when I posted this analysis. But so I was basically waiting for the gold cross of Tenkan Kijun-sen and also Chikou span breakout, and then look for the buy chance. Because exactly on this day, it didn't really happen yet, and that's why I put here. Now I'm waiting for Kinko Hyo. Kinko Hyo means the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and gold cross of Tenkan Kijun-sen is one thing that I was looking for, waiting for. And also Chikou span breakout was another thing that I was waiting for and expecting the previous high 0.78212 breakout. So 0.78212 was the previous high level, and it broke upwards in these 4 days now, like this. So basically that was what I was expecting. But I was also looking at the 4-hour chart. I was also looking at the 4-hour chart for this bullish confirmation too, and I would like to explain that one today on this public live. So let me close this one, and because today I put my analysis. This is for Ichimoku members only post, waiting for AUDUSD P wave break in the 4-hour chart. So earlier I posted the analysis like this. So so this is on the left, there is a daily chart, and on the right this is H4 4-hour chart time frame. So in daily chart, I was expecting the market goes up. So today I already found the gold cross of Tenkan Kijun-sen. So basically I was waiting for the Chikou span breakout. Chikou span breakout was what I was waiting for today to look for the buy chance. And also in 4-hour chart, it was in the P wave. As you can see, it was in the P wave squeezing. So when it's in the P wave, I expect the market breaks upwards this way, as the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen gold cross again on this 4-hour chart too. So basically that's what I put on this analysis for the Ichimoku members. So in 4-hour chart, I put, it shows the P wave. I am waiting for Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen gold cross for a potential upward breakout. So let me forward the chart. So before the breakout, it surely broke. I mean, it went upwards already now, but I saw Tenkan Kijun-sen gold cross before the P wave breakout, and I was even more confident for this breakout of the recent high at this 0.78212 level. So, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So let me come back to the current chart. So this is what's happening now on the daily chart. It broke the previous high now, and let me show the H4 4-hour chart in Ichimoku. And in the P wave, So this is a P wave because the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting higher, and this is called P wave or the triangle formation in price action. But basically, I was expecting this P wave triangle breakout upwards because in the daily chart it was uptrending. So before the breakout, well, actually, I think it was exactly at the breakout. Was at the there was Tenkan Kijun-sen gold cross. So I expect the market to continue to go up this way. Well, technically now in 4-hour chart, the Kumo flat and Kijun-sen Tenkan-sen flat. So it might retest the previous high at this 0.7121 level, and if it's going to support it, and it can continuously go up this way. So that's my finding on this AUDUSD, and I continuously look for the buy chance next week because this breakout was remarkable on the daily chart time frame. Yep, thank you for joining everyone. Great to see you, Samrat, and let's see, Giorgio, Roy, Jack Smith, and Chu, Ajay, and Jeremiah, Ahmad, Alexandre, Cashflow, Deepak. Thank you for joining everyone. Great to see you here. So yeah, this is basically my finding for this continuous uptrend. So we can follow this continuous uptrend on next week overtime, or you can still take trades today until you go to bed, because that's sometimes what I do. So that's my analysis on this AUD-USD chart, and let me go down to H1 1-hour chart now. Let me delete this arrow because it's been uptrending already. So let me delete this one. But in H1 it's been the continuous uptrend. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, we see the Kumo is up and Kijun-sen flat at the moment, but Tenkan-sen is up and Chikou span above the candles, so it shows a continuous uptrend. But it might retest. It might come back to either Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen. I think this is a sign of retracement because we now see Kijun-sen flatness here, and also Senkou span B flat. So this is not as strong uptrend as the previous candles. So this might retrace backwards now. But in the long term, this is uptrending, so I continuously look for the buy chance today or next week onwards. Yeah, great to see everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Yeah, that was for my meeting. I dress like this. Yeah. And also I feel more serious if I dress like this. So that's why I decided to dress like this for today's live stream. So yeah, it's for me to be serious on this live stream today. Okay, thank you for the reminder. So yeah, if you liked today's live stream already, please press a good button or like button. Please press before you leave so that it keeps me going. As always, thank you for your participation. Alright, say Leo and Oliver, thank you for joining. Good Tattoo, thank you for joining. Won Alan, good to see you too. Deepak says, do you take multiple entry at one time on different pairs, or you wait for break even or on the first entry? Basically, I wait for the break even until I take trades on other pairs. Yeah, but I do take multiple positions on one of these pairs. But once I set the break even, then I go to other pairs to take trades. Otherwise, I won't. All right, Jagadish calling. Carlos and Puthika, thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you, and happy Friday, everyone. Good to see you. Yep. So let's move on. Let's move on to the other pair. Well, before moving on, let me go to lower time frame even to see this candlestick form on this bearish candle on this 1 hour chart. So let me see. Let me switch it to even lower time frame, like the let's say 15-minute time frame. And in 15, I don't use Ichimoku because this is too low, as it's too spiky. So I basically look at the price action and a couple of other indicators, but initially I look at the price action. So now this is still uptrending because I see this bullish wave continuously. There is a bullish wave continuously and moving upwards now, up until this recent price. So I expect the market to continue to go up this way. In 15, I don't see any sign of retracement at the moment, so I would continuously look for the buy chance in this case. Let's see. Hello Soledad, thank you for joining. Great to see you here. Oh, Chen says, when do you do live streams normally, Keisan? So I do the live streams at this time, 11 p.m. in Japan time, which is the 14 UTC time zone. I do the live streams or video. I upload the video exactly at this time every day for public. And as for membership, I do the Ichimoku membership lives on Thursdays and Saturdays after the public lives. Oh, Joe asks me, how do you become a member of your group? I run 2 communities, and one is Ichimoku community. This is to master Ichimoku 5 lines and 3 theories, and also Kyushu-Lex. Kyushu-Lex, if you don't know, Kyushu-Lex is actually one of the Ichimoku strategies to capture the long-term market momentum. So you take weekly chart, and you put this Kyushu-Lex like this, and you see the sign of reversal. So this is the Kyushu-Lex, and I teach that. I have released the booklet in the Ichimoku community about this Kyushu-Lex also. So if you want to master Ichimoku, then this Ichimoku community is the one. But if you are more wanting to become a full-time trader and to become a non-losing trader, including risk management and based on these lower time frame confirmations and also psychological management, then GTS will be the one for you. So you can find both information on the link below the description. So you can always join. You can also reach me and join at any time. Oh, so as Yoren put on the Ichimoku community, you can also click the link on this chat, and also you can join the community. You can see details of the community, and once you join the community, and make sure you come to this page. For those who are new members, make sure you come to this page and scroll down a little bit and click on this. Click here to join Ichimoku Discord, or you can see all the perks. So after you click on this one, then you will see you can find the page like this, and simply click on accept invite, and you can follow the steps to join the Discord afterwards. Okay, so anyways, let me come back to the topic now. So this is Kyushu-Lex, which is also another strategy of Ichimoku. But yeah, coming back to this topic, AUDUSD. Once again, this is uptrending, so I will be continuously looking for the buy chance now. Let's see. TikTok lover says pound USD double top in M5. Is that right? Okay, let's check that one later. Pound USD soon. But in the meantime, let me come back to your comments. Let me read through your comments a bit more. Alright, China, you're welcome. And look, great to see you here. Oh, Deepak says, today I made almost 80% on the single trade with the KTS. That's great, that's great. Make sure you manage risk per trade. And also you manage your own mentality. That is also important. Yeah, but glad to hear that. Euro AUD, let's check that one later also. Celio says, I hope you can teach us a bit of your position size and risk management tips someday. Just some basic for non-GTA students. Okay, yeah, you can find the playlist actually. So once again, you can come to my website if you want to know my risk management strategies. You can scroll down. Oh, actually, I renewed that website a bit. On the top page, I put more information and my passion to do these services every day. So you can enjoy and read through these words of mine. But if you can scroll down all the way down, then you can find the playlist on this money management. And if you click this one, then you can find the videos of how I manage these positions and stop loss strategies. So this is for public, so you can enjoy these videos as well. Yeah, but risk management and position sizing is very important. Yeah, without these strategies, you cannot really take trades. You cannot really earn profits over time. You might have ups and downs. So yeah, make sure you have these decent risk management skills whenever you take trades. It's my recommendation. Alright, thank you for joining from Moscow. Thank you for joining. Alright, Muhammad, Joe, thank you for joining. Let's see, do you have cryptocurrency room on Discord for member? Yes, we do. We do. Yeah, on the Discord of Ichimoku community, we have the channel for cryptocurrency. Now, personally, I don't take trades on cryptos, but there are members who take trades on cryptos, and they are sharing their ideas and thoughts of these markets. So you can enjoy these posts too. Okay, so let's see. Let me pick up some other comments that are related to these markets or strategies. Can we hold on? When do you move your forecast lines? Especially when you break new highs. Well, until the market reaches to the end of until the end of the forecast lines, I just keep them. So in this case, these are the forecast lines. These two yellow lines are the forecast lines. So I keep these forecast lines until the market reaches to this day, the 10th of February in this case. And because the price landed above the forecast lines, I was expecting also the market goes up continuously this way, which is happening right now. Let's see, Mohammed says we cannot register from Iran because we don't have a credit card. You can join also from PayPal, or you can use a VPN to join. For these payment terms for this Ichimoku community, please ask YouTube for help, because YouTube has been managing these payments for my Ichimoku community. But on this GTS, this is for my service, my own service, so you can use both credit cards and also the PayPal for the payment methods. Now at the moment, I don't have any positions, Tanapol. No positions at the moment. Yeah, Kayon, that's true. We have some trending markets right now. Yep. Yeah, Celio, you're welcome. And Rahul, yeah, Chikou span breakout is the important key. Yeah, you put the Chikou span emoji there. Alright, so let's move on to the next topic for today, which is about the pound USD. I see pound USD is also trending, so let me switch the pair to that analysis. So yeah, this is the pound USD daily chart, and now it's going up right now. So I put the analysis on this pound USD today on the My Trading View account of Forex K official. This is my official new Trading View account, and if you can scroll down a little bit, I put the analysis on pound USD on this 17th February, which was 2 days ago. I put the analysis, and I was mentioning that this is uptrending, and I was expecting the market breaks the previous high of 1.3953 level because of these confirmations. When I was in the market, the Kumo Senko span AB up, well, Senko span A was up, sorry, but B is flat. But I was seeing the Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both up, and Chikou span above the candles. So basically, I was expecting the market breaks higher, or to be safer, I was mentioning that the you can wait for this doji candlestick breakout. So hold on, on the 16th February, 1 day before I made this analysis, there was a doji candlestick over here. So usually what I do is when I see doji candlestick, basically I wait for the breakout. And in this case, Ichimoku lines show this is uptrending. So basically I was waiting for the breakout upwards and look for the buy chance. And now it's happening. Let me forward the chart. So today it broke upwards, and this is a great timing to look for buy chance now. Or next week you can continuously look for buy chance on this pound USD daily chart. So let me switch it to the real chart. Yep, so daily chart shows a strong bullish trend. And also one thing that I would like to mention about this market is that we see Tenkan Sen bounce. We see Tenkan Sen bounce over here. So this confirmation is very important for this continuous N wave, because if we see the next time market comes back to the Tenkan Sen, we can expect the bounce, and the market might continuously go up this way. But if the market breaks the Tenkan Sen downwards, that will be the time for exit, or you don't want to look for buy chance anymore, because we found a bounce confirmation by Tenkan Sen 18th February. So in these patterns, I won't look for buy chance once it breaks the Tenkan Sen next week. Yeah, and also so let me go down to the lower time frame H4. In forward chart, this becomes flat now. The Kumo flat and the Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat, and now it's consolidating. And let's check H1. Yeah, looks like H1 is also retracing backwards. So when it's retracing, consolidating, this is not the best time to look for buy chance at the moment. I would wait for the Kumo moves up, and also Kijun Sen goes up this way, and look for buy chance. And in this case also previously, the market has been supported by this Tenkan Sen on this 1 hour chart too, in this area. So hold on, in this area, the market has been supported by this Tenkan-sen. So next time, when the market touches Tenkan-sen, I expect the bounce and it goes up this way continuously. So that will be also the timing for me to look for the buy chance. Quite interesting market at the moment, yeah. Pound USD is a nice and strong uptrend continuously. Yep. James, thank you for joining. Great to see you here. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have a payment method for Bitcoin. I only take the credit card or the PayPal. Yeah, I'm sorry about the inconvenience. Alright, Tarun, thank you for joining. And Fire, great to see you here. Thank you for joining also. Human cryptos. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I get comment from New Normal. He says, if you see a buy confirmation with Tenkan-sen bounce, can you just set a buy order a few pips above the reverse to confirm the uptrend? That's possible, but instead of putting a pending buy order, I would recommend you to put the alert, because I used to take trades by limit orders or pending orders and I failed over time because I was not paying attention to the candlesticks at that moment in lower time frames. So let's say, I say the market has been supported by this Tenkan-sen. So now I say that when the market reaches to the Tenkan-sen next time, it could bounce. But I'm not sure when it happens, and also I'm not sure how it happens. So for example, in 5-minute chart, you see retracement. Hold on, let me cancel the Ichimoku here. And you see the retracement over here. And yeah, this looks like to be a double top over here now in 5, and it's breaking the neckline downwards. So in 5, this might be a reversal line, reversal confirmation. So the market might continue to go down on this bearish wave like this way. It's possible. However, if we don't see reversal wave in 5, but if the market continues to go up from here on this bullish wave, in 5, then this double top might become fake as a result, and the market can continuously go up this way, because this is uptrending in higher time frames. So this is the reason why I don't usually put the pending order to buy, for example over here, because so let's say the Tenkan-sen in daily chart or 1-hour chart shows like this, and I don't put the pending order at the Tenkan-sen bounce level, because I want to see how the market is retracing backwards. If the market retraces backwards on this reversal N wave and reach to this level, then I won't buy. But if the market goes backwards this way on this reverse N wave, but if I see the next time like the bullish wave from here, then that will be one of the buying confirmations. So I prefer to enter the trade to buy over here, but not like the places over here, because still the market might continuously downtrend afterwards. So, and I used to put the pending order to buy like over here, and I used to fail trades. So now I don't. I only take trades manually, and I put the stop losses manually too in lower time frames. I hope that makes sense to you. Alright, AUDUSD, let's check that one later as I get a couple comments here now. Let's see. Hello, Trader Robbie. Thank you for joining. Great to see you here. Okay, Celeo says, Kaisen, do you also consider fundamental news? Yes, I do. I do look at these fundamental news, especially the important ones. The highly impacted ones I check before taking trades. Yeah, for sure. Alright, thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you here. Alright, let me come back to the chart soon. Let's see, Brian says, when trading my profit, the price retraced back and hit my adjusted stop loss. I end up winning less than 0.5 R, sometimes 0.3 R. Do you consider this is a break-even or a win for calculation win rate? 0.5, yeah, that could be the win, but 0.3 would be the break-even. Yeah, so basically I have the strategy exactly when I move the stop loss break even and when I move the break even to try the profit. So unless I move it to the break even line, that will be the loss, and unless I can move the break even line to try the profit over time, that will be the break even. If the market goes backwards to the break even, then I won't regard that trade as a win trade. So let's say from here I expect the market go up this way continuously. So let's say I place a buy over here, and in this case my stop loss is going to be the previous low in 5, which is at this level. So this is a stop loss for me if I were to take in a buy over here, and in this case the stop loss pips is going to be 27 pips, which is decent for me because usually I take the stop loss in between 15 to 35 pips of stop loss on these lower time frames. And once the market goes towards my direction like this, then I move the stop loss to break even. So I manually drag this stop loss level to above, slightly above this buy position like this, so that even the market goes backwards this way, I exit with the break even. So in this case, if once I set the stop loss to break even, and if the market goes backwards to the break even, then I regard this trade as a break even. I don't regard this as a win trade, but I regard this as a break even. But let's say the market goes up afterwards. It goes up afterwards towards my direction, and if I can trail this break even to the next low like this, and if the market goes backwards this way and hit this top, then I regard this as a win trade because I fix the profit from the position to this stop loss over here, and I regard this as a win trade. And that's why I manage my own positions on the spreadsheet. I don't usually follow my report on MT5 because I want to see these break-even trades and win trades and losing trades. So if you can come to my profile page, you can find my past trades and past record. On my profile page, you can scroll down and you can find these trades, my performance from last year. I will be posting my performance in the month of January soon, but for example, so in this case, December 2020, last year, I took 10 trades. So this is 3 wins and 4 losses and 3 break-evens. So I regard the break-even as losing trade. I don't take break-evens win, but I take break-evens loss. And that's why I want to calculate my win rate to be 30%, including the break-even trades. So out of 10 trades, I won 3 times and I lost or break even 7 times, and that's why my win rate is 30%, because I regard the break even as a losing trade because that's not a profit. So if the market goes backwards this way, then I will exit with a break even, and this is not the win for me. It's not the win. And I prefer to track my records this way because so that I know which one was break even, which one was winning trades, and which one was exactly losing trades. Which I exemplary teach at the GTS class. All right, so let's go to let me check some comments on pound USD, and let's move on to the AUDUSD soon. All right, so pound USD monthly chart, we have a bounce on Senko span B. Okay, let's check the monthly chart. So here is the pound USD monthly chart. We have a bounce of Senko span B. Oh yeah, so the price is reaching towards the Senko span B. Yeah, and this is almost at the end of the Senko span B now. Yeah, so that's a good point, Yaron. So we see Tenkan Kijun Gold Cross and Chikou span breakout on the monthly chart. So if I see the breakout of the Kumo this month or next month, then the market can continuously go up this way. Especially if it breaks the previous high level at this 1.4377 level, it can continuously bullish. And also we see Kumo twists on the monthly chart too. So we have to wait for the Kumo breakout, clear Kumo breakout on the candle close on this monthly chart, and expect the market continuously bullish in this long term on the monthly chart. Okay, so let's see what else we can find on this comments here. Oh, hello Maru-san, thank you for joining. It's been a while. Thank you for joining, great to see you. Yeah, happy Friday everyone. Thank you for joining. Okay, Yun says, I get today Euro AUD sell now 100. Oh wow, 126 pips profit. That's a lot. Thank you for sharing it. And stay gold, Kayon. And make sure you don't lose. Make sure you become a non-losing trader. So non-losing is a key for me. So we can talk about wins, we can talk about losses, but overall break even will be the first goal you want to achieve over time. So monthly basis, yearly basis, no matter how many trades you take, just aim for to become a break-even trader. Non-losing trader is a key. Because if you become a non-losing trader, then that means you can manage the risk correctly. So let's talk about the AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, the daily chart one more time. So this is a nice uptrend. It broke the previous high now. As I posted on my analysis today on this trading view, AUDUSD bullish by Ichimoku, because I broke the P wave upwards now on the forward chart, and also broke the previous high on this 0.7821 level. But one thing that I would like to remind you is that we have to wait for the candle close. This is on the daily chart, and for the candlestick to close on the daily chart, it takes another 7 hours and 13 minutes on Friday today. So make sure you wait for the candle close, because we never know when it closes. If it closes below the previous high, like for example like this, then it becomes a pin bar, it becomes a wick pointing upwards. And if traders see this pin bar, this wick pointing upwards next week, then there might be some sellers on this confirmation, and the market might go down afterwards. So yeah, I would wait for the candle close in this case. I won't see this as a breakout yet, technically, on the daily chart basis. So if you are not really taking trades on this pair, then I recommend you to come back to the market tomorrow. On next Monday. Yeah. Oh, typhoon's coming. Wow. Yeah, you better be safe under typhoon. Yeah, in Tokyo, we usually have typhoons in summertime. So, yeah, I hope you'll be safe in your place. Oh, the price action playlist, you find it. That's great. Yeah, I have posted some videos on the price action playlist, so you can understand the basics of the price action. For me, in terms of price action, I only look at the candlestick patterns. I only look at the doji breakout, and engulfing patterns are my favorite also. And I don't really pay attention to these thrust up and downs and runway ups and downs. I don't really focus on these confirmations. And I value the price actions in any time frames. Even lower time frames, 5-minute chart, the price action works. So yeah, I do see these in lower time frames basically. Yeah, that's true. Oh, Maru-san, very busy. Okay, yeah. We can just come back anytime. Sorry, I'm kind of busy these days too. For these paperworks and all these that I do, but yeah, you can join at any time. So I will reach you out sometime next week. Yeah, let's talk sometime next week. Oh, pound or JPY might be a good opportunity for trade right now. So let me switch to pound or JPY. Yeah, this is a nice uptrend on the daily chart. It's continuously moving up. And hold on, let me double check on what I wrote on the pound JPY just earlier. This was the uptrend confirmation. And oh yeah, so on the 15th of February, I was expecting the market reach to this previous high, 147.97 area, and I think it's already reaching towards this level now. So yeah, hold on, let's see. Yeah, so looks like the market is reaching towards the previous high level on pound JPY. So let me put the horizontal line one more time, and let me squeeze the chart. And yep, there is a wick over here exactly on this day, the 13th December on 2019. There was a wick high, and the market is reaching towards that level. And also there are wicks over here too. On 2019, around in March, there was a previous high levels over here too. So yeah, this is a strong uptrend right now and a stable uptrend, but we might see some reversal here in this area in between 147.92 and 148.85. I'm sure there must be some resistance zone over here. So it might consolidate until it breaks, or it might go down this way. So yeah, in this case, I continuously look for the buy chance as long as the daily chart or 4-hour chart Kumo Kijun Sen is above, goes upwards, and Chikou span above the candles. But once these lines become flat, then I won't look for any buy chance. Yep, unless you secure 30 pips of profit, you better exit before before the weekend. Yeah. So let's see. So we have some trending pairs at the moment. So once again, the Euro AUD is nice downtrending. So I'm looking for the sell chance next week. I do see these bounces also by Tenkan-sen over here. So I'm looking for the sell chance next week on this Euro AUD, and also Euro Pound. Oh, Euro Pound daily is now flat, and let's see, in 4 this is also flat, so this might be double bottom, and it might go up this way up to the Kijun Sen. So unless it breaks the previous low, 0.8642 level, I won't take any trades, so I will just pass this one. And also Pound USD is a continuous uptrend in the daily chart. Yep, so I will continuously look for buy chance on this one. And Pound JPY is also the uptrend. Yeah, the pound's been quite strong today. I saw the currency strength charts earlier, and yeah, the pound. Oh yeah, pound is now flat, but it was uptrending when I was seeing it over here. So that's why the pound pairs are going up. But looks like today AUD is the most strongest one, and NZD follows, and USD to be the weakest one today. So anyways, if I see these markets right now, Pound JPY is a stable uptrend, so I continuously look for buy chance to, next week. And Pound CAD, yeah, now daily goes flat, and in 4 it's flat also, so I won't look at this one anymore. And AUD USD, as I mentioned earlier, in a daily chart it broke the previous high, but technically we better wait for the candle close on the daily chart, or if you see uptrend in lower time frames, then you can look for buy chance. But in 4 it's flat. In 4-hour chart, it's flat because it's retracing backwards because the Kumo Kijun Sen Tenkan-sen flat. So unless the market breaks upwards the previous high at this 0.7866 level, I won't look for the buy. And let's see, AUD CHF, this is also a nice uptrend, AUD CHF daily chart. So we can continuously look for the buy chance on this one. And finally CAD JPY, it's slightly breaking, but not quite. It's still flat, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat. And let me switch it to the 4-hour chart. In 4, technically this is uptrending. So once again, this is CAD JPY. In 4, this is uptrending. So I continuously look for the buy chance next week. In Japan, it's turning a 20th Saturday, so I won't check charts right now because I will be going to bed in about a couple of hours. So but yeah, I will just keep my playlist, my watch list like this to get myself ready to take trades next week. Oh, and also like I mentioned on the video on this gold, this is retracing backwards now, and gold weekly chart shows the price has been bounced off of this Senko span B. So here is a gold weekly chart, and I see the bounce of this Senko span B now, as I mentioned earlier, and also the previous support at this 1764. But this is a continuous bearish. It's a continuous bearish in a wave. So in terms of the price action, I expect the market go down continuously. So if it breaks, then that will be a sell chance, in my opinion. But now this is in the Kumo here. The price is exactly in the Kumo here. So this is not a good time to sell yet. Okay, so yeah, I guess I will be ending the live stream for now. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis by Ichimoku. So once again, I created the new TradingView account, and the name is the Forex K official. So if you are interested to check my analysis in the future, you can follow me. So you can basically search Forex K official, and you must see the follow button somewhere, like over here. If you see the follow button, and you can click on that one and follow me. Alright, so I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next video or the live. So yeah, in Tokyo it's getting cold again. It was warm actually last week, but now it's getting cold again. So make sure we are healthy, continuously healthy, and yeah, looks like the COVID in Japan is kind of settling down, but the number is still, sideways. It's a range, the number of COVID cases every day in Japan. So I hope yourself and your family friends are still safe under COVID, and I hope to be healthy, stay healthy, and stay gold. Alright, so thank you for the participation as always, everyone, and I will see you in the next one. So bye for now. Mata ne. Mata ne means see you in Japanese. So mata ne everyone, see you.